Okay, I hope board is visible. Visible, na? So,
Yes,
the,
sir.
thank you. The first one I'm talking about the linear search. Okay, the linear search. So basically, when we talking about the search algorithm, that means we can apply on array. Okay, so main focus our is array. So main focus is array. That means we have to apply a search algorithm on array. Okay, so how can apply? So now see, suppose on array or array is given of size any 5. Suppose I'm taking the standard size 5 and draw this array. Now, so this having a starting from, so this will be the starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am going to put the element like 8, 9, 10, 2, 1. Okay, now, so what is the meaning of linear? So the linear, so you know the straight line, a straight line. So that is the meaning of linear. So we can follow the straight line. That means we have to search from starting to the end. So suppose we have a 10 elements. So what we have to search? So what? Suppose in a 10 elements. So suppose I can search element having the name, having the number 10. Okay. And we have a count of 20. So where you start from the 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where this is found, so we can print the element we can found. Otherwise we cannot find the element in the array. Same thing we can do with array. So now see, suppose this is the array, so you can write int array, create an array, size of array, then enter the element of the array. All the things we have to do in a main function. After that, what we have to do, suppose I can fix x is equal to 2. So that means I have to search this x is equal to 2 is present in here or not, in this array or not. So our is the task. So what? So already I can fix the x value is a 2. That means we have to search this 2 is present or not. Now see, understand the array we can traversal on the basis of index value. So we have a index value. So we have an index value on the basis so we can perform the traveling. Because now see how can travel? I can put a of I is equal to this element x. Now what is the meaning of that? First understand what is the meaning of this one. Why I am writing. So now see a of I, what is the meaning of? Suppose I will be start from 0 and I will be less than n and I plus plus. This is the for loop condition. Okay, this is the for loop. We have to move traversal in the array, so we have to write this one. Now see, suppose a of I. So what is the value? A of I 0, that means the 8. So a of 1, what is the value? 9. भाई a of 10 क्या value है? Sorry, not a 10, a of 2. Okay, so a of 2, what is the value? 10. Then a of 3, what is the value? 2. Then a of 4, what is the value? 1. Now this value, so that is the meaning of that one. So why I'm writing this, all are indicating, to this point. We can start I equal to sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, here n is 5. So I value always less than 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes या no? And here I will be incremented. 0 हुआ भाई, 1 हुआ, फिर 2 हुआ, फिर 3 हुआ, फिर 4 हुआ, 5 होगा तो false हो जाएगा. Okay. So now, and this will be equated to this one. So what is the x value? So I can put 2. So now see, this is equal to 2. No. This is equal to 2. No. This is equal to 2. No. This is equal to 2. So it gives true. So others part what will be gives? False. These all are false. These all are false. That means it will be return 1. So when this will be return 1, when I am writing return 1, that means it will be element founded. When I am writing return -1, that means no element will find whatever I search. -1, that is the meaning. Is it clear? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को? Please anyone reply. Okay, thank you. So now see, so this is the process how to we search. Now, so this is the basic information what I am putting here. That means how can these things we have to put inside the code. That is the main important. So if you focus on this one, so this one is the only logic. अगर आप focus करें, so this one is the only logic. So this one is the only logic. So on the basis of we have to search linear search. What we have to perform? Linear search. Okay. So these are the things. Now see. So I'm going to write a code. Just I'm going to write a logic in a simplest way, and you are able to write all the things. Now see. Now see. So I am going to create a one function. I'm writing with function. With function. Okay. So suppose I'm creating a one search int linear search. I'm creating a function name int linear search. And here I'm passing the parameter. What I'm passing the parameter? Int array. This is the parameter. So if you know the function, how to pass the parameter, that is easy. Int array. And after that, I am going to pass size of array. Suppose I am not calculating. And after that, I am going to pass the x value, whatever I am storing. And inside that, I'm going to declare int I for writing a for loop. So here I'm going to start a for loop. For loop I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, and this for loop will be a start here, and it will be a start. Suppose now here I'm going to write and condition if the function e of I is equal to x value, then it will be what happened? Return 1. And this is the semicolon. Okay, this is the semicolon. So now, so and I'm going to put line. This one is this one is the for loop. Okay, so this one is a for loop. Okay, stop. And suppose if you have false, this statement is not executed, then it will be return -1 and block this one and this one. So this is the linear search function I'm creating. So this function, linear search function, is called by somewhere else in a main function. Okay. So now see. So this one. So somewhere else you are writing a main function. Somewhere else you have a writing a main function. So you are writing a main function here. Inside main you can declare int x, all the things, whatever you want to, int array. So we can define a size of array, all the things. And here you can writing printf size of array or printf for loop, enter the element, then you passing the search. So what we are passing the element here, suppose I am passing here, so I am passing I am taking a one result, and result is equal to I'm passing linear search. That is a function linear search. This function I'm passing linear search. I am passing array. So what is the array? So I'm passing a arrays and this n, and this is the x. So it will be directly go here and execute searching. After searching, it will be result paste here. Then here I am writing a printf %d result equal to something, so it will print it is founded or not. Okay, so this is the logic, how to write a linear search program. So linear search. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear or not? ये आपको समझ में आया लिनियर सर्च कैसे वर्क कर रहा है? Okay, so please write this code and share with me. Then I can told you what is the time complexity, all of things, and where you can apply. Okay, so these are things. So please write this code, very easy code. Okay, among all sorting algorithm, that is a very easy linear search. So anyone doubt? I'm again asking anyone doubt, then I can explain again regarding logic, regarding how to write a code, how to create a function. No one doubt? Okay. So please write this code and share with me. So everything is visible, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ah. So please write this code and share with me. I think the code logic is very easy. So from starting, I always try to set to you, कि always make a habit to write a program with a function. So now thing is that what we have to focus to your improve your programming. So otherwise you can face all the time difficulty. Okay. So I hope this is visible. Okay. Now see, suppose if you want a good programmer, okay. So what we have to do? We have to focus on first point function, how to create a function and how to call in different situation. Second on command on array. This is a very important because all the time we can use array. And the third one we can focus on pointer, and the last one we can focus on structure. So these things are very essential. So if you're talking about the functions, very important, array very important, pointer and structure. If you're very weak in pointer and structure, no problem. But we have to mention this one is the star mark. Okay, this function and array. Heavy star marks you can put. Otherwise, you can go for the pointer and single star. So these things are very important. These things, one and two. This box is very important. Function and array. If you command on function and array, you can able to do competitive program. Otherwise, you face difficulty all the time. So what we have to do on a function. So देखिए आपको पढ़ना क्या है फंक्शन में. फंक्शन में हमें पढ़ना है how to create function. That means how to pass parameter. Okay, how to pass argument and different type of function, so these things we have to study in a function, these 2, 3, and 4 point. So how to create a function, pass, how to pass the parameter, how to pass the argument, and different type of function. Okay, these are the key point for the function. So are you doing or not? Anyone? Okay, do it. So if you want to interested to do a job, then this paper, data structure is very important. Okay. Otherwise, you are not getting a job in a good company if your data structure is weak. So these things put inside your mind, then try to do all the things. Okay. Not take a easy to grant all the time for data structure. And the upcoming semester, maybe you are going to study DA. So these two subjects are very important, and that means, like na, for living things, oxygen and water is very important. Same like that one. Data structure and DA is very important for the computer science engineer. Otherwise, we all the time for suffer from in a college also. You can suffer during your job. You are doing in a company also.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, yes. Okay, what are doing? इंट मेन array आपने लिया, फिर आपने आई और इंडेक्स ले, एंटर द नंबर. ओके, वॉट एवर यू वांट टू सर्च, इंडेक्स e of I, then index equal to I. Okay, then break and then found. So enter the search in 5 invalid numbers, invalid number. Okay, found it. Correct. Yo, okay, found that one. Okay, correct. Thank you.
Sir, I have one question. I want to add else condition. I mean, if number is not there in the list, then it should show in that invalid number. Actually, I have tried here with else
uh,
condition,
uh,
but it is executing even after finding a number. So where
no, no,
should
no.
I add
No, no,
else
no, no,
condition?
no, no. Look. What? Can you show me your code? See.
Yes, here it is, sir.
Huh. So you are writing now. See, go for the dry run, and then you are easy to understand. So you can take a enter. Then this one enter the number you have to search. Now here, in
Okay.
in your for loop, what we are writing. If you find out this number, then break. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
after breakout, it comes out, and this writing C out is equal to find index and return 0. So where
Okay.
you writing the invalid number?
I
Not
am
showing.
writing here.
So no.
Here.
So you can write outside of the for loop. Then
Okay.
it is
Okay.
invalid. So
Yeah.
it will print outside the for loop. It's not found. Then print invalid number not found. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. So main thing is that suppose if you want to know your logic is correct or not, so good thing is that go for the dry run. Okay, whatever you writing a code, go for the dry run. कि भैया ये सही होगा कि नहीं. So now how can you do a dry run? That is important. Now see, suppose मैं यहाँ पे लगाता हूँ dry run. Okay, suppose हमारे पास मैंने एक array को structure किया. Array structure किया 5 size का. देखो dry run कैसे करेंगे. So this will be the array structure 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. इसमें मैंने 10, 5, 6, 1, 4 कर दिया. सपोज मुझे x एलिमेंट को मैंने पास किया 6 को. ओके, सुनो. सो यहाँ क्या पास होगा? अब देखो यहाँ पर एरे पास होगा, तो a ऑफ एरे हमारा पास हो गया. ओके, यहाँ पर साइज पास हो गया 5 हो गया, और जो x एलिमेंट है 6 पास हो गया. तो यहाँ पर लेस देन 5 से कंपैरिजन होगा, और यहाँ x का मतलब क्या हो गया? 6 हो गया. चलिए, I equal to 0. Okay, now my first position I equal to 0, so this is 0, no problem. I 0 is less than 5, this is true, then come inside that one. So हम लोग चेक करेंगे a of I of 0 पर क्या भैया? A of 0 is equal to 6. That means I am going to check is this will equal to 6 है? No, false again. So again it will be go back here. Okay, again it will search. Then a of 1 will be search. Now this is true also, again 5, this is true also, no problem. So again 5 is equal to 6, no भैया, फिर again आ गया. फिर जब 6 आया तो yes equal, so it will be return 1 and execute out of the loop. Okay, so is it clear? So this way we have to search, and we have to do a dry run. Always make a habit for the dry run. Okay, so this will be help you. And before writing a code in compiler, write in a notebook. आप उसे नोटबुक में पहले राइट करो, उसके बाद लॉजिक को टेस्ट करो कि भाई मैंने जो लिखा है वो सही में है कि नहीं. Otherwise will face difficulty. Okay, now see, so I'm talking about the time complexity, so very important. Now see, my array is having like this one, this much size. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I want to search, so it may be my element will be present here. If not present, I search here. If not present, then I search here. Then I search here, and then search here. In the worst case, I am talking about the worst case. Worst, average, and best. These three cases I am talking about. Now see, suppose in the worst case I can search for order of n. So how many times I can search? Order of n. In average case is also order of n. It may be present here, it may be present here, it may be here. Okay. In the best case, array will be present at a first position. So I will search only constant time. So that is called order of one time. So that is the linear search time complexity. This is the time complexity. Okay. So these things are time complexity, okay, for the linear search. Worst order of n, average order of n, and best case order of 1. Okay, so now see. So next one I'm going to discuss about a binary search. So next one, I'm going to discuss about the binary search. Okay, binary search. Binary search. Okay, so now search. Now see, same here in binary search, always apply on sorted array. Sorted array. Now see, so this is the new term. So always I am talking about a random array, not a sorted array. So what is the meaning of sorted array? Suppose I can create a array of size any type, and here I am passing the array size. Now see this. So 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the meaning of sorted array? So it will be like this one. So these are the sorted array. So all are increasing order or all are decreasing order. In that case, your data is given, that means array is given in sorted order or array order. So we can apply on binary search. You apply on binary search on a sorted array. Otherwise, you are not able to apply the binary search. Okay. Now see, here a binary search is very important. Here we cannot store an element of X, and we have to not, here you can going to comparison like this one. We are not going to apply this concept. Okay, this is not going to apply. Here we introduce the term a mid mid. Okay, mid element. So mid of what? Mid of I. Okay, we are going to introduce mid of I is equal to my X element. Okay, that means always we have to find mid of this array. So before finding mid, so what have to how to find mid? Already know in a where we have to find this mid element. So mid element L plus R divided by 2. So what is the L? So L is equal to lower index and R is equal to higher index. Higher index. That means here, so this one, this is the L and this will be the R in that scenario. And each and every time I'm going to find mid element, and mid element is going to be comparison with the X element. If mid element is X, we can find out which searching element. So it will be return true. Otherwise, go for the further division. So this is the process we have to follow. Okay. Now see. So this is similar to the little bit merge sort. Yes या no? अगर आपको मर्ज सॉर्ट याद होगा तो ये उसी के सिमिलर है ना, हल्का सा.
यस सर.
हाँ. सो अब हमें कैसे मिड फाइंड आउट करते हैं ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो नाउ सी मिड एलिमेंट कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, सो आपने मर्ज सॉर्ट में देखा होगा हाउ टू डिवाइड. नाउ इफ माई I'm going to, if my R value greater than equal to 1, then you convert division, because I have for the division, I have to require two elements. So I need to know R value should be greater than equal to 1. So what I'm writing, if no, suppose I'm going to pass the first function, so that include all the things. So suppose I'm going to pass a function int a binary search function, and inside again I'm going to pass int array, similar int array, and here I'm passing like a merge sort, lower index, int passing higher index, and which element I want to search I'm going to pass X. Or inside that I'm going to write what I'm going to write, if R is greater than equal to 1, then we have to perform the middle element. So how to find out the mid element? So I am going to define int mid, and int mid equal to L plus R divided by 2. Okay, then this will be happened. So what we have to write after that, I am going to write again, if here we can comparison with the mid element. So A of mid is equal to X, then what we have to return? We have to return mid element. Where we have to return true, here we have to return a mid element. Suppose these things will be not happen, then what we have to do? Again, we have to go for the division. So I'm going to write a change the color. If a of mid, now see how to do. A of mid greater than x. अगर a of mid की जो वैल्यू है वो x सर्चिंग एलिमेंट से ज्यादा है, that means what we have to return? Again we can go for the binary search. So return a binary search same, and here we have to pass array the L element mid minus 1 and x. Okay, and this one is a close. Is it clear? भाई इसमें मैं कुछ नया नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं array मर्ज सॉर्ट की तरह ही लिख रहा हूं. समझ में आ रहा है ना? See. And suppose this is not possible, then again we have to write a return again binary search. Again I am going to pass array, and that time I am going to pass mid plus 1 comma r comma x. So this is the way we have to pass, and close this red button, this one, close this one. And after this all the things will not happen, then I'm going to write return -1, that means not find, and close this one. So now see how to work. So my array will become like this one. So my array will be, so suppose I'm passing like this one, so it will be like this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6. Now see. So what will be the 0 plus 4 divided by 2? I'm talking about this one. So it will be 2. That means my mid equal to this one. And suppose I am searching my x equal to 10. So it will be written here 10. Suppose I am taking x equal to 5. So now see, it will search here. Mid. What is the mid value right now? 10 is greater than x. What is the x value? 5. Yes. So it will be search here. So it will be greater than x. Mid value is 10. And what is the mid value? 2. 2 is greater than 5. Yes. Then it will be search in a here. So what is this one? So now see, this one is this is the mid. This one is the mid minus 1. And this one is the mid plus 1. And this is the r. This is well. So it will be search here. If this is present or not. If not present, then it will search again here. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So this is the whole process we have to follow for the binary search. And main point is for the binary search, array is always sorted manner. So now here the array is not sorted. Okay, so it may be look like this one. So it may be like a 15. It may be look like a 16. Okay, then it will be applied. Okay, clear? So हमें ऐसे करना है. So please write this code. So मैंने आपको मैक्सिमम कोड लिख दिया. That means मेन कोड मैंने आपको लिख दिया है. So this one is the function. So this is the function, your function having return type integer, and this one is the function name, and these are the parameter. These all are the parameter. Okay, you are passing the parameter. So what we are passing the parameter? So this is the array, this is the index, this is the also index, and this is the x, whatever you want to search. So up to this, what we have to discuss. Okay, now सो ओके, सो हमने क्या क्या डिस्कस कर लिया सॉर्टिंग में. सो हमने डिस्कस किया बबल सॉर्ट, देन वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट इंसर्शन, then we are discuss about selection, then we are discuss about quick sort, then we are discuss about merge, then we are discuss about linear, and then binary. So these are all our sorting problem. Okay, now so this I am going to write a time complexity of all, so it may be help in your higher semester and now for this semester also. So these are the algorithm part, data structure part, so that is very important. So this one is the your best, this one is the average, and this one is your worst. Okay, now see, bubble sort in all cases it will be the order of n square, order of n square, order of n square. Insertion sort it may be a order of n, best case order of n square, this will be the order of n square. Selection whole cases order of n square, order of n square. Quick sort order of n log n in a best case, average case n log n, and the worst case order of n square. Merge sort all the cases order of n log n, order of n log n, order of n log n. Okay, linear search order of 1, order of n, order of n. In the binary search order of 1 in the best case, and this is the order of log n and order of log. Okay. So these are very important. This is called a sorting algorithm. These all are sorting algos. Okay. So make it beautiful. Yeah, anyone completed? Okay, please, everyone mark your attendance in chat box. One, two, three, four. Everyone done? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 16. Only 16 people are done. Please mark your attendance, otherwise I can put absent. Please mark your attendance and repeat again. Fourteen people are there. Okay. So